Yes, today I'm gonna make a wild berry spritz. Spring is on the way, summer is just behind it. We need to get some of those refreshing, delicious cocktails prepared. So get yourself a big wine glass or a goblet, plenty of ice. Leave that to chill. It's a shake and strain. So we need our tin on tin. Starting off with 30 mils of gin. London dry gin, it's perfectly fine. Oh yes. 30 mils of Aperol. $15 mils of grapefruit juice and 30 mils of wild berry puree. Give it a shake. Let's get to straining. This is a great cocktail. You can share it with your loved one or drink it all by yourself. Totally up to you. And top with some tonic water. Let's give it a quick flip, very fast. And garnish with some wild berries straight from the supermarket. That is the wild berry spritz. Oh yes. Amazing. Amazing. Delicious.